But I think what we're missing out is that actually we are really the proxy for the United States. What is happening is really China doing these things, continued bellicose action, and saying, tignan ko nga kung nasan yung promesa ng Amerika sa'yo. Hindi mo ba nakikita yun, Karen? Parang,
no, I think...
Di ba?
Yeah.
Actually, kung tatlo to, no? Tayo to eh. Tapos ito yung China at saka US. Actually, binibwisit tayo ng China. Actually, ang binibwisit niya yung US. Sabi, nagpromesa naman US sa'yo. Tignan ko nga kung magpopromesa yan. Yung sinabi ni Pompeo, sinabi ni Blinken, lalo na ngayon, anong pangalan nito? Lame duck na si Biden, di ba? Palagi pang sabi ng ironclad. Kaya nga sabi ko, I was thinking, Karen, if Trump becomes a president of the US again, Trump will be good for the region. No? Why? Total Trump is a businessman. Sisingilin niya yung Taiwan for defending Taiwan eh. Sinisingil niya yung South Korea,
Very transactional.
Japan. Baka tayo singilin din niya sa EDCA.